Welcome to Alphabet Land.
Hooray!
Let's learn letters while we laugh and play. With animals, rainbows, and songs so bright. Hop on the ABC train, hold on tight. A is for apple, juicy and red. Bunny takes a nibble, then nods his head. B is for ball, it bounces high. The dog jumps up and touches the sky. C is for cat, curled in a C, purring away so happily. D is for dog with a wagging tail. He chases a frisbee along the trail. E is for elephant, splashing with glee. Water sprays high, wild and free. F is for fish in a pond so blue. They wiggle and giggle as they swim through. G is for giraffe, long neck and spots. He munches on leaves in grassy lots. H is for hat, big, bright and round. The cat hides under without a sound. I is for igloo, chilly and white. The rabbit peeks out in winter's light. J is for jelly, jiggly and sweet. It wobbles and bounces to a yummy beat. K is for kite, flying up high, dancing along the rainbow sky. L is for lion with a mighty roar, but he's just playing, hear him snore. M is for monkey, swinging so wild. He's the jungle's silliest child. N is for noodles, twirled on a fork. The cat slurps them up with a giggly snort. O is for owl, wise and neat. He hoots softly from his nighttime seat. P is for penguin, sliding with cheer, gliding on ice with a happy sneer. Q is for queen, waving so grand, with jewels and sparkles in her hand. R is for rainbow, colors that gleam, sliding down, it feels like a dream. S is for sun, warm and bright, shining smiles with golden light. T is for turtle, slow and sweet, with a flower pot on his back, so neat. U is for umbrella in the rain, splish splash puddles again and again. V is for viol, music so fine, notes float up in a dancing line. W is for whale, so big and blue, splashing high with a watery woe. X is if on a bow, ringing with glee, tap tap tunes from A to Z.